Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today my lovely client Jackie has come in and we are going to do her nails ready for her son's wedding, which she's going away abroad to go, and the colour theme was obviously white and there's lilac purple in there as well. So we've gone for the classic pink and white ombre, and we are going to add some purple in there as well. So I've done all my prep work and I am coming in now with Milky Pink from CJP, and I'm just creating my free edge. I will then come in with Amore and make our blend. When I'm happy with the blend, I'm just going to come in with crystal glass, and just cap that blend area, just so we don't file any of that away when we come to file the nails. And then we're going to move on to the ring finger, which is a ombre using lilac, white and some beautiful glitters. So I'm using lilac luster, milky pink, and I'm coming in with white rabbit glitter from Glitter Planet. And I do have a discount code for that website if you do want to go ahead and order any of their stuff. Their glitter is amazing, and they also have some stunning brushes on there, including an aqua brush that I can't wait to show you all when I get a chance to use it. But yes, the discount code for them is Liz10, and just use that at checkout for your entire order so you can get some money off. Now, I'm sorry if I sound a little bit not in zone, because I'm constantly chasing Poppy around now. She is getting so big and she's into everything, so it's really difficult to find the time to record and voice over and edit and all that stuff. So please bear with me. You mamas know the score. So this middle finger, as you can probably already tell, is just going to be another pink and white fade. So then Jackie decided she wanted one of those stripes down the centre of the nail, like the colour block design, or not polished design, whatever you want to call it. So I'm coming in with the Glitter Fairy metallic purple glitter, and it's multi-cut, so it makes it easier to get it quite opaque, because there's them smaller bits in there as well. I'm using that with crystal glass, and then I'm going to come in with some of that white rabbit as well, and then I'm literally just going to cap that stripe. After that was dry, I went ahead and filed them nice and sharp. So just place your file straight up against them lines to file them nice and crisp. And then I'm going to come in and create the pink and white fade on either side. I have left some filing in, but it is just the same routine as I always do. So I literally just showed the index finger to show you that not polished design come through. I do stop and spray some sanitizer just to make sure we're getting it nice and clear, because sometimes there can be some shadowing. So as I will show you in a minute after I spray it, that there is still some slight shadowing in that area just where I show you. So I'm just going to continue to file around that area and contour the whole nail so it all looks in shape and beautiful, and then we will buff that over that nail and then clean away all the dust and we'll be ready for top coat. So I've cleaned away all the dust, and now I'm going to top coat with the best top coat in the world. It's the CJP No Wipe Top Coat, and doing a nice layer of this on all the nails, popping in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then we're going to cure, give it a minute or two to cool down before we go in with our sherbet lemon cuticle oil, which is new from CJP and it smells delicious. I don't know if anyone ever bought the cuticle balms that I used to make, but it smells exactly the same. I literally want to bathe in it. It is so nice. I want to bathe in it and wear lemons in my hair. It is beautiful. So if you don't have it, go and get it. It's lush and it's like £2. Anyway, that is the finished result, and I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I love you all so much, and I will see you all again in tomorrow's video. Bye.